This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Beth Otery. Fall in love with your park-like view from sunroom, kitchen, and wrap-around deck. Open, spacious 4-bedroom and unit with views of the creek and pond. Hardwood throughout, tile in baths and laundry. Bright kitchen with plantation shutters, under cabinet lighting, gas stove, and bay window. Master down and up with 2 additional bedrooms and tons of storage. Extra touches like electric shade and phantom screen in sunroom, 2019 gas fireplace west/remote, 2018 encapsulated crawl, and all appliances convey. Archers Mead clubhouse and pool plus playgrounds, tennis, ponds for fishing/kayaking, access to private beach, security, and 7+ miles of water.